Hi there everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you Improvers Solo Ballroom Tango practice routine number 6. This was taught in the online class on the 10th of October 2022. And we had some trouble in October and November with the audios on a lot of our videos, so I had to go back and re-record all of these. Apologies if you've been waiting. Okay, let's start. 2 walks back and a progressive link. Right foot, left foot, link. We're going to close that off. We're going to do out, in, out, and then a little contra check, back and there. Okay, let's do that again. Let me call out the timings. So I'm going slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Section 1. Section 2, I'm going to turn around to the right. It's a little bit like a twist turn, but it's not a full twist turn, and the timing was different. I just went with normal timing, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. I'm just moving away from my bookcase. So I'm in that right foot pointed position, and I'm going to go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, close. And I'll be facing the back of the room, okay? It's a little adaptation, just to make it something interesting. So I'm here, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So it wasn't a full swivel, but I was creating a little bit of a swivel action. So forwards, 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 slight swivel, forwards, side, close. Quick, quick, slow for the timing. And now standard close reverse turn. Quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. I then did a little ronde and a little pressure point in a lunge, just to finish off something interesting. So we've got section 1, section 2. Let's put the whole thing together from the very beginning. I'll go slowly and I'll count and I'll tell you the name of each figure. So 2 walks and a promenade link. 2 walks progressive link. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Promenade close. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Now foot section. Quick, quick, slow, little contra check, quick, quick, slow. Second section, walking, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, reverse turn, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and the little lunge from the ronde. No specific timing, just a little decoration to finish off. Thank you very much for watching. That was Improvers Solo Ballroom Tango. Practice routine number 6, originally from the 10th of October 2022. You will find the full class in the video library on the website. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.